Hello, I'm Dr. Abdullah. I'm a doctor from Palestine, Gaza. I evacuated from Palestine on April 2024 with my relative to have an operation in the Egypt. After 2 weeks from evacuation, the port is closed and I got stuck. It's supposed to return to Gaza to continue my job there to helping people. The situation there is so bad. The family facing fear, constant fear. Children, they are losing their parent and the home is destroyed. And the situation now is much more worse than before. When we hear that Maldives banned Israeli people to enter Maldives, we feel that there's someone hear us, we feel that someone support us. So I am here standing now in the Ungufaro, thanking for the Maldives government and thanking for the Ungufaro Council for supporting us from our bottom of the deep heart. So thank you for all of us because this support, it means that the humanity is still shine in the darkest moment. So thank you so much.